You sit down, read through a tutorial, and feel like you understand it perfectly. But the moment you look away from the screen, the information fades away. This frustration is a failure of your methodology, not a brain defect. Look at this flowchart. Human memory operates in 3 stages: encoding, storage, and retrieval. When you passively watch a video or read a screen, you process the first 2 steps, but the pathway to retrieve that information snaps. We are going to break that passive viewing habit right now. Grab a physical pen, an empty notebook, and open your computer. Over the next few minutes, we will actively build a study system together. By the end of this video, you will have evidence that this framework works because you'll memorize the fundamentals of Microsoft Word in real time. Step 1 is active learning. Data suggests that physically writing information down on paper doubles your long-term recall capability compared to simply reading or typing. Let's apply this. Go to your computer and press the Windows key and the R key. In the Run command box that pops up, type the word WinWord and hit OK to open Microsoft Word. We are going to use a text generation shortcut as our first memory test subject. The formula is equals rand, open parentheses, 10, 2, close parentheses. Before you touch your keyboard, write that exact formula down in your physical notebook. Only after it is securely on paper, type it onto your MS Word document and hit Enter. Writing the code by hand before executing it digitally introduces deliberate friction. It forces your brain to encode the specific syntax into your muscle memory rather than relying on a fleeting visual image. Step 2 is chunking and visualization. This is how we process massive amounts of new data. This wireframe is a dense wall of buttons. We map it anatomically. The top strip is the head, housing title and quick access bars. The middle body contains the ribbon and tabs. The bottom feet holds the status bar and zoom. Mapping the interface to the human body provides a mental filing system, allowing you to categorize new buttons the moment you see them based on which anatomical zone they inhabit. Step 3 is the association method. This involves linking technical functions directly to familiar everyday objects. Look at this graphic transitioning from a software logo into a front door. Our next task is memorizing the specific drop-down options hidden inside the top left MS Office button without actually looking at the screen. Let's map the opening functions to our door analogy. Actions like new and open represent entering the house. Closing functions carry the opposite logic. Save and save as represent locking the house, while print and send represent items leaving through the door. By anchoring software menus to real-world spatial logic, your brain creates a direct retrieval pathway. You can recall a complex technical list simply by picturing someone walking in and out of a house. Encoding information is useless if you leave it vulnerable. A mobile distraction during the study phase fractures your focus and prevents memory consolidation. To defend your attention, implement the Pomodoro technique. Work in strict blocks of 25 minutes of focus, followed by exactly 5 minutes of rest. This acts as a firewall for your cognitive load. This calendar tracks spaced repetition, a mechanism to prevent knowledge decay. Notice how the review intervals expand over time, pulsing on day 1, 2, 7, and 15. Take your physical notebook and schedule your next review of these word shortcuts using this exact interval pattern. True learning is a timed apotextual build. Protecting your focus and mathematically spacing out your reviews ensures the newly formed memory stays intact. It's time for the final retrieval test. Let's see how much you retained. First, recall the chunking visual. Point to the screen where you would find the head, the body, and the feet of the interface. Second, mentally picture the exact text generation formula you physically wrote down in your notebook. Finally, visualize our front door association to recall where the save and print functions are located inside the Office menu. Your successful recall of these layouts demonstrates that moving from passive watching to active anchoring turns a software tutorial into long-term knowledge. If this framework helped you, like and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below telling us which specific memory trick you found most useful today.